Hey guys, good morning. It's September 15 today, Monday. Nandito na kami sa Cebu City. And for today's agenda, pupuntahan na namin yung mga tourist spot dito sa city. Yesterday, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang pagod na talaga. Pagdating namin dito sa hotel, nakatulog na kami. Nagising kami ng 11 PM para kumain and then tulog ulit. Ang nangyari kahapon, after namin mag-whale shark watching, Tumalon Falls kami. And then, after nun, plano sana namin pumunta sa Mualboal. Kaso, yun nga, hindi naman kami makakapag-canyoneering dahil nga sa hindi ko kaya. Bilis kasi akong hingalin dahil sa anemia. So, pagbalik na lang ulit. Pero si tatay gusto niya talagang gawin yan. Kaso, yun nga, ayoko maging burden, may mga kasama kang iba. Ayoko nung, wait lang. For today's video, samahan nyo kami travel na kami dito sa city. Hanggang 17 pa kami dito, pero tomorrow kasi is mamimili na lang kami ng mga pampasalubong. So, ayun lang. See you! Nakamotor pala kami ngayon. Nag-rent kami ng motor. Nag-rent kami ng Passion. Yun yung gustong-gusto namin motor. Tatry namin kung okay ba. Nyo kami sa tour namin today para makita nyo yung mga pupuntahan namin, and i-include ko dito yung rate ng bawat entrance fee sa bawat tourist spot. See you later, alligator! Bye! Guys, ito yung hinarap naming Passion. Ganda! Medyo umaambon ngayon, pero mawawala din yan. Thank you Lord, umaaraw na din. OOTD. Hey guys, dito na kami sa Basilica de Santo Niño.
The basilica was established in 1565 by Augustinian priests Fray Andres de Urdaneta and Fray Diego de Herrera. It's built on the site where the image of Santo Niño de Cebu was found. This image was a gift by Ferdinand Magellan to Raja Humabon and his wife in 1521.
Guys, kanina, ang dami kong nakikitang kumakaway. Yun pala, kumakaway sila doon kay Santo Niño. Mga ganun sila, oh. Guys, kapag gusto nyo magpa-picture, 150 lang kay Kuya. Support. Patingin Kuya ng picture nyo. Ito yung mga picture niya, oh. Ganda. Pwede kayo magpa-picture kay Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. More sale. Pa-picture kami kay Kuya. Okay.
Dito ako? Hi.
Okay. Okay, thank you Kuya.
Hanggang
Okay.
5 o'clock sa afternoon.
Okay, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Nonoy.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Guys, magpa-picture kayo kay Kuya pag pumunta kayo dito, ha?
After you visit the Basilica de Santo Niño Church, you can also visit the Magellan Cross, where Magellan and his crew planted a wooden cross on Cebu Sol to commemorate the baptism of Raja Humabon. The cross planted on April 21, 1521, and the original wooden cross is believed to be encased inside the tinlado wood cross that stands today at a small chapel next to the Basilica Menor de Santo Niño. The Magellan's Cross is a symbol of Cebu City, and it represents the introduction of Christianity, which later spread throughout the Philippines. Dito guys, pupunta na kami sa Fort San Pedro. Sobrang lapit lang niya sa Basilica de Santo Niño at saka sa Magellan Cross. So kung magsisimula kayo sa Basilica de Santo Niño, next nyo is yung Magellan Cross, nasa gilid lang yun ng simbahan, and next nyo na tong Fort San Pedro. The Fort San Pedro built under the command of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi in 1565. The original structure was wood and later upgraded into stone in the early 17th century. The current stone fort was more or less completed around 1738, and it's considered as the oldest and smallest fort in the Philippines. Over time, it's been used for various purposes like prison, classroom, hospital, zoo, also a government offices. But today, it's not just a historical landmark but also a cultural site. The museum preserves many Spanish artifacts, old photos, and sculptures. It opens 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, and entrance fee is around 30 pesos for adults, and discounted rates for students, senior citizens, and PWDs. Next tourist spot is the Cebu Taoist Temple. This temple built in 1972 by the Chinese Filipino community of Cebu, particularly members of the wealthy Chinese business class. Though primarily a place of worship, the Taoist temple has become one of the Cebu's most popular tourist attraction because of the panoramic view of Cebu City and the nearby islands of Mactan and Olango. It is sometimes compared to the Great Wall of China in miniature because of its entrance design and walkways. It became a symbol of the Chinese influence in Cebu economic and cultural life. This temple is not just one building, it's a complex with small temples, shrines, a library, souvenir shop, and a wishing well. Because it sits on a hill, it became a symbol of the Chinese influence in Cebu's economic and cultural life. The temple is situated 300 meters above sea level inside the Beverly Hills subdivision in Lahog, Cebu City. Its design is traditional Chinese architecture, red-tiled roofs, dragon statues, pagoda-style tiers, and colorful ornaments.
Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Off Temple. Walang entrance fee dito.
Now we're on our way to the Temple of Leia. It's about 40 minutes away from the city and the road is a bit steep, so drive carefully. Now we are here at Temple of Leia, my favorite tourist spot here in Cebu City. Alam niyo kung bakit? Here's the history. Temple of Leia was built in 2012 by Teodorico Soriano Adarna, a wealthy Cebuano businessman. He dedicated it to his late wife, Leia Villa Albino Adarna, as a symbol of his undying love and ceaseless devotion to her. Leia was a teacher and a businesswoman. Inside the temple, you'll find Leia's treasures and collections, books, antiques, and keepsakes, all preserved as a way to remember her life. It's located in Hills of Busay. This place also gives you a breathtaking view of Cebu City and the island's Bayam. Today, the Temple of Leia is not just a love story set in stone, but also one of the Cebu's most famous landmarks where people come to admire the architecture, take photos, and be inspired by husband devotions to his wife. The design is inspired by Greek and Roman architecture with huge Doric columns, grand staircase, statues of lions and Roman gods, and a massive bronze statue of Leia at the heart of the temple. It's open Monday through Friday, and the entrance fee for the Temple of Leia is around 100 for adults, and for kids and senior, usually you can get a discount around 50 pesos.
Mga white temple.
Pag-ilima natin senior, may ID is mama.
Now we are here in Taps of Cebu. It's only 10 to 15 minutes away from Temple of Leia. It's also located in Busay Hills and it's open 24 hours every day.
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Taps. Sa Taps naman, ito yung fee. 100 for entrance and 30 pesos kapag motorcycle parking.
Taps is a viewpoint up in Busay Hills, Cebu City, offering a 360-degree panoramic views of Cebu City, Mactan Island, and nearby seas. It was originally known as The Top, opened in 1985, with simple amenities, but over time it's been redeveloped and renovated. The most recent redevelop introduced the Circle at Taps, a lifestyle and dining complex with multiple levels, new restaurants, a viewing deck called Sky 360 Degree.
Yan ang asawa ko.
Now we're on our way to Sarao Garden. It's about 15 to 20 minutes away from Taps of Cebu. And it's located in Barangay Sirao, Cebu City along the Cebu Transcendental Highway. Sirao Garden, also known as the Little Amsterdam of Cebu, because of its colorful flower displays, props, windmills, and cute photo zones. It's open daily around 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., sometimes until 6 p.m. depending on the day. Entrance fee is 100 pesos per person for regular guests. Senior citizen PWDs may get discount, often around 80 pesos. After our long trip, of course, we deserve to eat delicious food. We choose to eat here in Pungko Pungko sa Fuente. It's a collection of street food stalls in Fuente Osmeña, Cebu City. They sell fried goodies like chicharon bulaklak, deep fried pig intestine, pork chop, lumpia, longanisa, and of course the famous hanging rice in Cebu, and they call it puso. It's a rice in a palm leaves. And for our dessert, we went to Abli Coffee Shop to try their famous morta, a modern twist on the traditional Cebuano torta or a sponge cake or pastry. It comes in the different flavors like yema, mocha, ube, salted egg, and tiramisu.
Ito yung binili namin sa Abli. Pag gusto nyong bumili, search nyo lang sa Waze yung Abli. So, ang oras ngayon ay nasa 8 na, 8 p.m. Nakauwi lang namin, galing kami sa labas.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Cebu.
Hey guys, good morning. Walang ligo-ligo. Punta kami ngayon sa market. Mamimili kami ng pasalubong. Good morning, Cebu. Guys, dito kami sa Lola Inda. Para siyang
Ang pansitan, pero karinderya rin.
Pero karinderya. Yung in-order namin. Ito bok choy. Curd. Tsaka ito yung rice. Guys, pag gusto nyo kumain sa Lola Inda, ito yung mga landmark na. Ayun siya.
Dapat siya na...
Tapat ng Cebu Veles General Hospital.
Now, we're heading to Tabuan Market to buy some pasalubong. And guys, I highly suggest renting a motorbike if you're traveling as a couple. It's really useful and such a time saver. Plus, if you suddenly want to go somewhere else, you absolutely can since you can control your own time. Sobrang helpful talaga since DIY lang naman kami and it only cost you 600 pesos per day. We rented this motorcycle for 2 days, so it's 1,200 in total. Compare joining to tour packages, it can be a bit more expensive and your time is very limited unless you book a private travel package which costs you even more. So, I highly suggest renting a motorcycle. Mas better talaga mga sis. Now, please enjoy Cebu City! Ganito kaluwag yung daan nila. Bago kami pumunta sa Tabuan Market, dumaan muna kami dun sa gilid ng simbahan para bumili ng mga santo para pasalubong. And you know what guys? Itong si nanay, binigyan niya kami ng free mini Santo Niño. Sobrang bait at sobrang nakaka-touch. Please support her. Salamat.
Thank you.
Tabuan Public Market. Now we're here at Tabuan Market. We decided to buy a day before our flight because in the videos we watched, they said not to shop right before heading to the airport since the fish smell really sticks. And guys, it's true. It even stuck to our hair. So better to go there day before your flight and wear comfortable outfit as much as you can.
Hi guys! It's September 16 na and pang day 3 na namin to. Ang agenda ngayong araw, actually lumabas na kami kanina para pumunta sa ano ba yun? Tabuan Market. Doon kami namili ng mga dry fish, ng mga pampasalubong. Hindi na kami naligo, diretso na kami doon. Kasi nga, didikit yung amoy sa amin. And, ayun, after noon, nagpahinga kami saglit and naligo. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa House of Lechon. Syempre, hindi namin iwan ang Cebu nang hindi namin natitikman ang lechon ng Cebu. And, sabi ni tatay, ang lagi daw nire-recommend sa videos is yung House of Lechon. So, try natin. Try natin kung masarap talaga. And, ano pa bang nangyari? Ayun, papunta kami sa House of Lechon and sa Cebu City Museum. Dadaanan na rin namin. And also, ito pala yung copy, nakuha ko na. Yung copy ng picture sa amin ni Tatay Nonoy. Sabi ko sa kanya kahapon, wag na niyang i-develop kasi nagmamadali kami. Pero kanina nagbakasakali kami na tignan siya kung nandun siya. And ayun, ito, dinevelop niya talaga. Kaya, yung copy is sobrang ganda. Matte siya na waterproof. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng copy. Dalawa yan, 150. And kung gusto nyo bigyan ng tip, syempre, pwede. Support natin sila, guys. Alam ko naman na meron na kayong mga camera. Pero, kung meron kayong extra, why not, diba? Ayun, hanggang 5 PM sila doon. Nag-start sila ng 9 to 5. So, ayun lang. Balitaan ko kayo or sama ko kayo mamaya kung saan kami pupunta. Bye! Ay! Meron pa pala. Kanina, bumili kami ng mga santo. Santo Niño. Binilan ko si Mama, si Mami, yung mother-in-law ko, tapos bumili din ako ng malaki para sa amin. Sa bahay namin. Ito siya. Papakita ko sa inyo para makita. Na-video ko siya kanina, pati yung store niya. Doon lang yun sa gilid ng simbahan. Kaya kung bibili kayo ng mga Santo Niño or iba pang mga santo, meron sa kanya. Ito yung binili ko para dun sa altar namin. Pumili ako ng mga ganitong kalaki. Ayan. Iba-iba yung damit. Santo Niño din. Nagtanong kasi ako ng maliit na ninyo. Nagulat ako, bigla na lang niya akong binigyan. Kami ni tatay. Sabi niya, itago mo to ha. Swerte to. Sabi niya, ito ang cute. So, binigyan niya kami nito. Dalawa. Isa kami ni tatay. Sit niya siya. Doon lang siya sa gilid nung pinaka-entrance nung simbahan. May mga kahanay kasi yun eh. Doon siya. Okay? Thank you.
What's it? How was it?
Hey guys, dito na kami sa House of Lechon. Grabe yung mga tao dito, sobrang friendly and accommodating. Ito, ganda nung restaurant.
Branch to sa Cebu City.
Excited na akong kumain ng lechon.
Mixed vegetables po.
Yeah.
And then the one half kilo special chicken po. The one butter rice and yung po, ma'am, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ma'am, sir.
Here's our food. Kaon ta. Let's eat, everyone.
Lambot.
Guys, dessert. Let's eat. Ito mochi to na may mayo. Hey guys! Pupunta kami ngayon sa Island Market. Doon meron pang mga additional pasalubong. Galing kami dito sa church na to. Isa siya sa church dito sa Cebu. Bukod dun sa Basilio de Santo Niño. Balik na kami. Meron ditong museum. Ayan, ng mga santo. Kaso, yung suot ko kasi is panghubaran. So, nakakayang pumasok. Wala akong pantakip. Kaya, hindi na namin pinuntahan. Ito ang Cebu sa alas 3 ng hapon. Ito yung hinaram naming motor.
Gamit na gamit.
Gamit na gamit. Hindi pa lumiko dyan.
Ha?
Baka bawal lumiko dun. Ah, pwede.
Laki pala na ito.
Ayan.
Tapos,
paano ito iluluto?
garlic saka onion lang. Ano ito?
Sabaw po yan.
Na pig. Wala ka sa ano?
Pagkalapot lang po yan.
Wala ka sa ano?
Hey, good morning guys. Pauwi na kami. Puntang Manila. I will definitely miss Cebu. Lalo na yung lugar niya talaga. Yung init niya, hindi ganun kainit talaga na mainit na mainit. I mean, hindi ganun kaalinsangan. Ay, thank you Lord for today's trip. Ang oras ay 2 na. Ang flight namin is 5. So, kailangan na namin umalis. See you later, alligator. Yeah, thank you. Hi! Laan nyo nasan kami, guys. Today. Thank you, Lord, for today. Ang flight namin is 5:50. Guys, kain muna kami bago kami pumunta doon sa boarding gate namin. Good morning.
Morning.
Pagmalan sa atin yan.
Hindi naman. Hindi mo yun nakasilip.
Ayan. Kunin mo na. Kunin mo na yung malansa. I'm home! Naglalaro na kami ng aking best friend. Ito yung toy niya. Tadaan, ang dami. Best friend forever! Asan yung isa nating best friend?
Natababa.
Natababa. Sige. Oh! Best friend Forever!
Hello, pare.
Hello, best friend.
Hello, pare.
Hello, pare.
Hello, pare. Kamusta ka, pare?
Grabe naman ikaw, pare. Hindi mo naman ako
Pare.
ginanyan.
Si pare and mare.
Okay.
Tagal ba namin?
Okay lang.
Okay.
Hindi lang. Kasi ikaw bukas wala ka. Saka pupunta bukas.
Ikaw naman wala bukas. Sasakay ka namang airplane.
Natatakot ako eh.
Kaya mo yan,
So,
best friend. Huwag
dapat
kang
break ka.
matakot.
No. Natatakot ako.
Katabi mo naman si
Kasama
daddy.
mo naman
dun
si Dada, saka si Mami.
Hindi, natatakot ako.
Hindi, di ba sumakay kami kanina? Masaya.
Iba na ngayon.
Iba na ngayon. Siguro nung baby ka, takot ka kasi baby ka pa nun. Eh ngayon, hindi ka na baby, kaya hindi ka na matatakot. Hello everyone! Kita nyo naman, nandito na ako sa bahay. Nandito na naman ako sa favorite spot ko, ang aming kwarto. Naka-uwi kami dito ng 10:30 AM kasi bumaba kami ng eroplano ng 7:30. All in all experience, i-rate ko ang Cebu ng 10/10 or 100/10. Maganda ang Cebu, malinis, friendly yung mga tao. And so far sa mga napuntahan namin na lugar, Cebu, ito yung pinaka malinis na lugar. Malinis na lugar talaga. And friendly yung mga tao. Once a year lang kami mag-vacation ng via plane and nasulit talaga. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Yun. Thank you so much and follow me sa lahat ng social media account ko. Yun lang. Bye-bye.